Most Nissan owners think they know their car, but this video proves otherwise. I'll reveal 13 hidden features that improve safety, comfort, and reliability, and the final one can keep your battery alive, even if your car sits for weeks. 1. Mirror tilt down in reverse. One of the easiest Nissan features to miss is mirror tilt down in reverse, and once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever parked without it. If your Nissan is equipped, the side mirrors angle downward when you shift into reverse, giving you a clear view of the curb, parking lines, or obstacles near your wheels. This is especially useful if you've ever scraped a rim or guessed your distance from the curb. What many owners don't realize is that in some models, you can actually train this feature. While in reverse, adjust the mirror to the angle you prefer. The car remembers that position and returns to normal once you shift back into drive. I see this feature often on higher trims like the Altima, Maxima, Rogue, and Pathfinder. It's subtle, practical, and one of those small conveniences that saves money and stress over time. 2. Hidden backup start for dead key fobs. Push-button start is great until your key fob battery dies at the worst possible time. Luckily, Nissan planned for this, so even if your fob is completely dead, most push-start Nissans still let you start the car using a built-in backup system. Here's how it works. If your Nissan has a visible key slot, it's usually hidden near the steering column or under a small trim cover. Insert the fob there, press the brake, and start the car. If there's no slot, press the dead fob directly against the start button while holding the brake. I've seen this save people late at night, in bad weather, or far from home. Many Nissan models support this, and once you know it, a dead fob battery becomes a minor inconvenience instead of a full-blown problem. 3. Remote window roll down to vent a hot cabin. If you've ever opened your Nissan on a hot day and felt that wave of heat hit you, this feature is a game changer. Many Nissan models have a global window function that lets you roll the windows down before you even get inside. All you have to do is press and hold the unlock button on your key fob. After a few seconds, the windows begin to roll down, letting all that trapped hot air escape. By the time you get in, the cabin is noticeably cooler, and your AC doesn't have to work as hard. This feature isn't enabled on every model or in every region, but I've seen it on many Altimas, Maximas, Rogues, and Pathfinders. Some cars also support rolling the windows back up using the lock button, though that's often disabled for safety. It's one of those features Nissan includes quietly. No screen notification, no tutorial. But once you start using it, especially in summer, it becomes second nature. If this video is helping you, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And later we'll get into a Nissan setting that controls how your car warms up or cools down before you even get inside. 4. Intelligent Key Sleep Mode. This is a feature most Nissan owners have never heard of, yet it quietly protects your battery. Nissan's intelligent key system constantly communicates with the car, even when parked. Over time, especially if the key is stored close to the vehicle, that communication can slowly drain the battery and lead to unexpected no-start situations. To prevent this, Nissan built in a key sleep mode. If you press and hold the lock button on your key fob while pressing unlock twice, the fob enters a low-power sleep state. This stops unnecessary signal transmissions and helps preserve battery life, especially during long periods of parking or storage. I've seen this help people who store their cars in garages, apartment parking, or airports. When you're ready to use the car again, simply press any button on the fob to wake it up. It's a small trick, but it shows Nissan's attention to long-term reliability, even when the car isn't being driven. 5. Steering wheel button shortcuts most drivers ignore. Most Nissan drivers use their steering wheel buttons for volume and maybe cruise control, and that's it. But those buttons often do much more. Depending on the model, you can scroll through vehicle info, reset fuel economy, adjust driver assist settings, and even control phone functions without touching the screen. On some Nissans, holding buttons instead of tapping them unlocks extra shortcuts. For example, holding the OK or arrow buttons can jump between menus faster, and long-pressing voice control can activate different command modes. I've noticed many drivers never explore these because they assume everything has to be done through the touchscreen. Using these shortcuts reduces distractions, keeps your focus forward, and makes daily driving feel smoother and more controlled. It also helps in bad weather or bumpy roads, where touchscreens are harder to use accurately, making the car feel more intuitive and easier to drive overall. 6. Wiper service mode for easy blade changes. Modern wipers sit low for better aerodynamics, but that makes changing blades frustrating. Nissan solves this with a hidden wiper service mode. After turning the engine off, push the wiper stalk upward twice within a few seconds. The wipers lift and stop in a raised position, giving you full access to the blades. No forcing the arms, no scratching the hood, no broken wiper motors. This also makes it easier to clean the windshield thoroughly, especially during winter or after long highway drives. This feature exists on many newer Nissan models, including the Rogue, Altima, Pathfinder, and Murano. Once you're done, simply turn the ignition on and tap the stalk again to return them to normal. It's one of those "why doesn't every car do this" features, and once you use it, you'll never want to change wipers the old way again. 7. Drive mode behavior. You didn't know resets automatically. Nissan drive modes like Eco, Sport, and Normal don't always behave the way people expect. In many models, the car automatically resets to normal mode after you shut it off, even if you were driving in Sport or Eco before. This is intentional, as Nissan does it to prioritize safety, fuel economy, and predictable throttle response on startup. But a lot of drivers think their mode is broken when it's actually working as designed. Some models allow you to change this behavior in the settings menu, while others don't. Knowing how your car handles drive modes helps you avoid confusion and use them properly. It's not flashy, but understanding this makes your driving experience more consistent and avoids unnecessary frustration. 8. Hidden vehicle diagnostic and warning check mode. Many Nissan dashboards have a built-in diagnostic display mode that most owners never access. This mode lets you check warning lights, system status, and display indicators without a scan tool. It's especially helpful if something lights up briefly and disappears before you can get to a shop. By holding certain buttons on the steering wheel while turning the ignition on, engine off, the cluster runs a self-check. Gauges sweep, lights illuminate, and displays cycle through information. I've seen this help owners confirm whether a warning light is real or just a temporary glitch. It's not a replacement for professional diagnostics, but it can save time, reduce guesswork, and help you explain the issue clearly to a mechanic. Nissan doesn't advertise this, but it's another example of hidden tools built right into the car. 9. Safety sensor cleaning that prevents false warnings. If your Nissan has driver assist features like forward collision warning or adaptive cruise control, those systems rely on cameras and radar sensors. If they get dirty, the system may shut down or give false alerts. Some drivers mistake this for a system failure, when it's actually a simple maintenance issue. The camera is usually mounted near the rearview mirror, and the radar sensor sits behind the front emblem. Keeping those areas clean is critical, especially after long drives or bad weather. I've seen people think their system was failing, when all it needed was a gentle wipe. Bugs, dirt, snow, or even stickers can interfere. But a quick cleaning every few weeks keeps everything working as intended and helps keep you safer on the road. 10. Remote start climate settings you can customize. Many Nissan owners use remote start, but don't realize they can customize what the car does when it starts remotely. Depending on the model, you can adjust whether the car prioritizes heating, cooling, defrost, or seat warmers. Some models also let you control steering wheel heat or mirror defrost automatically. These settings are usually buried in the infotainment or vehicle settings menu, so most people never touch them after buying the car. Once configured, the car automatically adjusts based on outside temperature without you having to think about it. This makes remote start far more useful than just engine on. It turns it into a true comfort feature that prepares the cabin exactly the way you prefer before you even open the door. 11. Automatic door lock and unlock behavior you can change. Many Nissan owners don't realize they can customize how and when their doors lock and unlock. By default, most Nissans lock automatically when you start driving and unlock when you turn the car off. But that behavior isn't fixed. Inside the vehicle settings menu, you can choose whether the doors unlock when you shift into park, turn the ignition off, or only when you open the driver's door. Some models even let you disable auto unlock or unlock all doors at once. This might sound small, but it makes a real difference in daily use. Changing these settings can make getting in and out more convenient and improve safety if you prefer doors to stay locked until you decide. 12. Hidden headlight timer and courtesy lighting control. If you've ever walked away from your Nissan and worried about the headlights staying on, this one's for you. Many Nissan models allow you to adjust how long the headlights and interior lights stay on after you exit the vehicle. Through the settings menu, you can shorten or extend the headlight delay or turn it off entirely. This controls how long the lights stay on to guide you in the dark without unnecessarily draining the battery. You can also adjust interior courtesy lighting behavior, like whether the cabin lights turn on when you unlock the doors or open them. This is useful if you park in well-lit areas and don't want lights turning on every time. It's a subtle feature, but it improves convenience and helps preserve battery life. Most owners never change it, yet it quietly improves the ownership experience once it's customized. TRES, Hidden Battery Saver Mode. This is the feature that saves people the most trouble, and most owners have no idea it exists. Many Nissan models include a battery saver mode designed to protect the battery during long periods of inactivity. It's especially useful in modern cars where electronics are always drawing small amounts of power, even when the engine is off. When activated, the car reduces background electrical draw, limits keyless system activity, and shuts down non-essential modules. This is especially important if you travel, work from home, or park the car for weeks at a time, such as during vacations or long airport stays. In many models, this mode activates automatically, but some require a specific lock sequence or menu setting. Owners who use it report coming back to a fully healthy battery, even after long airport parking or seasonal storage. This one feature can save you jump starts, tow trucks, and premature battery replacements, and it's why I always tell Nissan owners to learn it. That's how Nissan hides small features that make everyday driving easier and more reliable. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more Nissan tips.